What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is Tank, and today I have for you the LEGO Ideas Medieval Blacksmith. This set retails for $150, which I think is actually very cheap considering the piece count is 2,164 pieces. So definitely under that 10 cents a piece mark, 10 cents a piece per part. I think that's right. And I think that's great. Beautiful set. Quite a large set. It's about pretty much almost a 3-story house or a 2-story house with a basement or whatnot. Of course, in this set you get 4 minifigures. You get a dog and you get a horse. So again, all that for $150 is actually a pretty good deal. And let's go ahead and check out the minifigures you get. And here are our minifigures for this set. You get 2 soldiers. You get someone, I believe they're husband and wife, I'm not quite sure, but they both live in the Blacksmith's medieval house. I'm assuming they're husband and wife. You have, she's an archer expert, and of course then the husband who is the blacksmith. I love that you have your 2 soldiers. They both have different styles of armor on. And of course you have the eagle emblem for their kingdom. And you got the woman with the headband on. And of course both the soldiers both come with a helmet you can put on. They're both the same. There's the helmet. Complete the look. Of course, they're simple, peasant outfits for, man and woman. And of course, the guy has his blacksmith apron on. And the male soldier kind of has a spot on the back where you can, hook something up for pretty much like a backpack. There's the quiver for your archer. Of course, you get your husky dog. And then there's the straps for the back of the apron. And just the blacksmith and the archer have different faces on the back of them. Your archer there has a face concentrating on her archery. And then the blacksmith has his tongue sticking out, concentrating on his blacksmithing. But it doesn't really matter too much. You can't really see the face because on the front, under the beard, he's got a smiling face on, but can't see it too well because it's covered up. But here are your minifigures for this set. I do really like the if they do more medieval, I really do hope they keep this theme going and not change it up too much. That way you can have, if you want, you can have a big, huge medieval theme going on, all sorts of different, medieval characters. And of course, there's also the horse. Not a minifigure, same with the dog. They don't count them as minifigures. But is a beige horse. Of course, metal you can pop out to hook up the wagon. It's like a little heart on the top of it. And those are your minifigures for the set. The next thing I will show you is the wagon. And here is the transport wagon you build with the set. Nice little wagon. I said the horse will connect right there. pop it on. And now you got your horse and wagon. You've got your bag full of gold to deliver to the blacksmith to pick up all weapons. You got plenty of space on the inside. You got a spot for the shield for whoever's driving. And you've got your lights for whenever you travel at night and you can see. So pretty nice little wagon here. And of course, the main attraction. You have your medieval house. Just need to adjust a little bit because it start at the top. You go up a little bit. And of course, here is the top of your house. And to gain access to this, it's actually quite simple. This entire roofing panel will pop off. Just pull out from the top and lift off. And now you have access to the, say, second, third story, whatever you want to call it, of the house. The other side will pop off too, but that's more of a challenge just because of the window here and the chimney. But this will pop off too. See, it just rests in there. It'll rest up against these right there and keep it from falling down. But on the inside here, it kind of looks like the bedroom. You got your bed. You've got a treasure chest here full of there's probably some gear in there. Looks like there's a backpack. Going on trips. Nice bed. And then in your corner here, you have looks to be a writing area to. Let's see what he's working on. Oh, looks like he's working on a story. Fantasy tale, probably. And then, of course, you have your black bear skin rug. Very nice touch. Adds a little more of the space, which is pretty nice. And that is your third story. And to gain access down, besides just taking the stairs, just pop it off. The entire thing will pop off. And once you gain access to, give you a better look here, the main living area, which probably make it easier. Again, all right there at the bottom. This pops off. So here's the middle of the house. There's your chimney for the front. Your blacksmithing sign. And there's the front door. And of course here on the inside you have dining area, cooking area. There's your mead barrel. It's like they do pretty well for themselves. Got your got a nice butter churn here that does function. It's like some soups on the table. And looks like everything's ready to go for a pretty nice meal. Very nice inside. Again, you have your kind of like brick plaster. Probably not. I don't think they had plaster way back when, but you know, whatever these houses happen to be made of. Of course, again, there's your nice door. Easy access. And then, like I said, there's your fire. And you have your flutes for exhaust for all your smoke. With the fire here for the pretty much their stove and for the blacksmithing underneath. And of course, the last layer which is the bottom, which is all the work gets done. Let's go ahead and start over here. You have the back side of this tree, and then here it looks like you have a storage area. Got a target, practice your archery. Inside you have stacks of wood for the fire. Got yourself a well. Love the root system that's growing around everything. Apple tree, so they always perform everybody's favorite trick of shooting an apple off of somebody's head. And so there's the target on the back of the tree if you want to have some fun. There's the steps to the main floor of the house. And of course, here is your working area for the blacksmith. You have your bellows, which when you push in, heat up your fire, make it nice and hot. Need that for your smithing. Nice little garden around the back side. And of course there's the back again. And then on the inside, more stuff too. You have a coal deposit. You have more armor up the top, and you have another helmet. All these tools to work with. Let's see what we got here. Such different materials, raw iron, steel. There's plenty of materials to work with. You also got a broom. You got to keep the place clean. And I believe this is supposed to be the whetstone to sharpen all the swords. And then you have your anvil in the middle to hone everything and make it all look nice and pretty. Of course, here's your entrance. He's already got a few things ready for the knight's men. But that is the medieval blacksmith set. I think this set is a very wonderful set, even just as a display set. It's got plenty of play value. It is an 18 plus set because of building tactics. But I think anybody can do it if you try hard enough. It's a fun set to build. I think it's great. I hope they do more. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you guys have this set? Do you want this set? Do you want more of these sets? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Over and out.